Escape the debt trap. Master debt management in 5 easy steps. Imagine a life where you are no longer burdened by the weight of debt, where you can finally breathe easy and plan for the future without worry. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Finance Made Easy Now. And today, we're tackling something huge, mastering debt management in 5 easy steps. Whether you're drowning in credit card bills, student loans, or any other kind of debt, these steps will help you regain control. Now I know what you're thinking, debt? That's about as fun as a root canal. No one likes dealing with it. And you're right, dealing with debt can feel like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress and anxiety. It's overwhelming and can severely impact your mental health. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. There are proven strategies that can help you break free. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategies I used to eliminate over $200,000 in debt in just a few years. Yes, you heard that right. Over $200,000. These are the same principles that have helped thousands of people take control of their finances and finally achieve financial freedom. Imagine the relief and joy of being debt-free. So if you're ready to ditch the debt and start building a brighter financial future, then keep watching. Together, we can make this journey to financial freedom an exciting and rewarding adventure. The debt epidemic. You're not alone. Did you know that the average American has over $90,000 in debt? That's insane. This staggering amount includes everything from mortgages to credit card balances. We're talking about credit card debt, student loans, car loans, personal loans, you name it. The list goes on, and it can feel never-ending. It's like trying to swim with weights tied to your ankles. The more you struggle, the harder it gets to stay afloat. But here's the thing, you're not alone. There are countless others in the same boat, facing similar challenges. Millions of people are struggling with debt, and it's not because they're bad with money or lack discipline. Often it's due to circumstances beyond their control. It's often because they've never been taught the right strategies to manage their finances effectively. Financial literacy is not something everyone has access to. That's what I'm here for, to guide you through this maze and help you find a way out. I'm going to show you how to break free from the debt trap and take control of your financial future. It's time to reclaim your life. We'll dive deep into proven methods, practical tips, and actionable steps you can implement right away to start seeing real results. No more guesswork. No more feeling overwhelmed or ashamed. Together, we will face this challenge head on. We're going to tackle this head on and equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to conquer your debt and achieve financial freedom. Let's get started on this journey to a debt-free life. Understanding the debt monster. Your financial frenemy. Let's face it, managing debt can feel overwhelming. High interest rates, multiple payments, and the constant stress of falling behind can make you want to bury your head in the sand. But here's the thing, ignoring debt only makes it worse. The first step to conquering your debt is to understand exactly what you're dealing with. Pull out all those statements, credit cards, student loans, personal loans, and let's get real about the numbers. How much debt do you have in total? What are the interest rates? What are the minimum payments? Once you have a clear picture of your debt, you can start to develop a plan of attack. Remember, knowledge is power. By facing your debt head on, you're already one step closer to taking control of your finances. Now that we've identified the enemy, it's time to create our debt-crushing battle plan. The first step is to track your spending. Where is your money actually going each month? You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The goal is to identify areas where you can cut back and free up more cash to throw at your debt. Next, we need to prioritize your debts. List them out from highest interest rate to lowest. This is crucial because those high interest debts are costing you the most money over time. We want to target those first while making minimum payments on the others. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. We're building sustainable habits that will set you up for long-term financial success. Now that you have a clear picture of your debt and a plan to track your spending, it's time to unleash the power of two proven debt repayment methods: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method focuses on building momentum by tackling your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate. Once that debt is paid off, you take the money you were putting towards it and add it to the payment of your next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, gaining momentum as you pay off each debt. The debt avalanche method prioritizes paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, regardless of the balance. This approach saves you the most money on interest payments over time. By focusing on high interest debts, you reduce the overall cost of your debt. Both methods have their pros and cons, so choose the one that resonates most with you and your financial goals. Remember, the best method is the one that keeps you motivated and committed to becoming debt-free. Now, here's where things get really interesting. You might be able to simplify your entire debt repayment strategy with one strategic move: debt consolidation. Debt consolidation involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate to pay off your existing debts. This can simplify your finances by combining multiple payments into one, potentially saving you money on interest. There are different ways to consolidate debt, such as balance transfer credit cards, personal loans, or even home equity loans. Each option has its own pros and cons, so it's essential to do your research and choose the one that aligns with your financial situation and goals. Remember, debt consolidation is not a magic bullet. It's about strategically managing your debt to save money and simplify your finances. Let me show you how this works in real life. Sarah, a single mom struggling with $45,000 in credit card debt, used these exact strategies to eliminate her debt in just 18 months. She started by tracking her spending, then used the debt snowball method to pay off her debts one by one. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that no matter how much debt you have, with the right strategies and a little bit of discipline, you can achieve financial freedom. What's your biggest financial goal? Is it to finally pay off those student loans, buy your dream home, retire early? Whatever it is, drop it in the comments below and let's grow together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take control today.